In 2018, a Dunwoody, Georgia couple became concerned about their 17-year-old son's mental health. Wanting to make sure he received the treatment he needed, they decided to have him brought in for evaluation. The EMTs were forced to lay him on a stretcher, with his hands cuffed behind him and his ankles restrained. He thrashed about violently, verbally abusing EMT Deannah Williams before proceeding to spit on her. Williams lost her temper and began to punch the boy, completely going against her training.
Hey, can you grab your spit mask real quick?
I don't have one.
Watch him while I grab my spit mask.
Yes.
Hey, I can't find mine. I thought mine was in the door.
I don't have one either.
Uh,
I'm in a different truck, that's why.
yeah. I don't have my spit mask.
They're getting a supervisor out for AMR.
How did she do that? That can't happen. That's a
This is Georgia bar.
This is not real life right now.
Are you still hot? Okay.
Yeah, I'm still hot. That just got omega-3 right there. That just got that's a lawsuit right now. Check on. Am I wrong?
You alright, man?
that's a
You okay?
lawsuit.
Are you okay?
I'm gonna tell my parents about that straight up.
We need a different unit out here.
Take that
32 to Chacon. Can you
Head break to bro.
17. I just had a slap the me. I'm telling them that
You got a
straight
better
up.
case.
Hey,
Yeah.
you want to go there?
So,
I'll sit here.
I'll let you handle the supervisor stuff. I guess it's all her
The partner's already
Never
calling.
had that happen.
Partner's already calling.
So I don't know. So what's gonna happen now?
She's going to jail.
So she's going to jail. So I need to get another unit.
Yeah, we'll call another.
One of the officers arrested Williams for assault and battery, removing her from the scene.
We have to get another AMR unit out here. So. Hey, take her phone.
They got someone calling.
Hey, wrong car. Wrong car.
You're gonna need a separate case substitute, aren't you?
Yeah.
I need her information. I'm going to give it to Miss Spears.
Like we got a lot of stuff. Like just hey, that's the wrong car. That's my car. We already got his information, right?
Hey, if that's our supervisor, go ahead and answer it because I'm going to talk to him.
Boss man.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, I'm not trying to be like. I try not to be all up in you.
Oh, just let assault my face.
She's going to jail, sir. I got photos of him. We already got a truck coming.
You do?
Yeah, we already.
All right.
So what happened? What?
So he started spitting, and she was going to put a cover on his face, and she was trying to put a mask on him.
Like the oxygen mask?
Yeah.
I saw
just
that.
to keep him spitting.
Yeah.
And I guess she turned and spit.
EMTs often deal with patients who, for one reason or another, are violent or unable to think clearly. While masking the patient would be appropriate, there is no reason for Williams to engage in physical violence.
Who's taking Lopez? Are you taking this one?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Okay. I got photos of him already. Let me get photos of her.
I'm going to take off my glass. Well, I can't take them off.
Their ID sound for me, that's the. Do you have your ID on you, man?
No, it's in my purse.
Your purse is in the.
I got photos.
I got her cargo pockets. I'm not.
Holy, that's a lot.
I've got you. Lose this shirt and your hat, or do you want to wear that to the jail?
I guess I got a t-shirt on.
I mean, it's up to you.
I got a t-shirt on. I'll take this off.
All right, we'll work on that in a minute, but right now.
Hey, boss man. You good? Like, you good? I know. I got ambulance service. It's all right here. They'll patch you up.
Bruise it up.
Okay. Well, we got another, like I said, just to let you know, we got another unit coming to, unfortunately, we still have to continue on with this process of what was initially here for, okay? There's no way around that. It's been signed by the counselor or whoever those are, so there's no way around that, okay, boss man? But she is going to go to jail tonight for doing that to you, okay? But we're going to have another ambulance service, or another ambulance come and transport you, okay? So you can let this gentleman.
We're chilling. We're chilling.
Y'all good? But if you need anything, we'll be out here, okay, boss man?
So you want to just leave this open then?
Yeah. So they're chilling, they're good. I got photos of him, photos of her. Lopez has taken the second report.
Hey, Joseph.
He's bruising in the face.
Oh yeah, good grief. Yeah. Did you take a good picture? He's got a goose egg.
Yeah, my phone's almost dead, so I had to I'm charging it a little bit, but I'm gonna take another photo. Hey, boss man, look that way for me. Okay. Let me grab it.
Were you able to get her ID?
I did not get her ID. The cuff's okay, you good? Lean up. I'll check them for you.
You take them off. I'm not running away, man. I swear to God.
Unfortunately, boss man, I can't take them off just of everything, but I'm gonna loosen them up for you, okay?
You can we can cuff them to the stretcher.
You gonna be?
When we get down there, you just transfer.
Boss man, I'm gonna take you out of cuffs, but be cool. You can't go nowhere. Lean back. Go ahead and pull your hands in front.
Need another pair?
Nah. Are we gonna do two to the bed or just one? Just one. One should be fine.
You put them to the side.
What are you doing with the other one?
Boss man, I gotta see your other hand real quick. Just put it in there.
Have you worked with her before?
Just chill. Watch out behind.
And updated. That's out of California.
Ma'am.
There just has to be some way we can get the sheriff. They can't just come and take him to Peachford. I mean,
Man,
'cause I have a
they've got
bag.
protocol. I mean, you're not gonna get sheriff's office right now.
But I also have situations where, and I don't understand, because sometimes police departments will do it and sometimes they won't. And that doesn't make a lot of sense. So I'm just.
Yeah. Yeah. It's all the stuff that was in there.
I'll
You want to put the scissors back in there?
Yeah.
And see if she wants to give the knife in there too. Leave that in the truck with them.
Put in the purse.
Yeah, or
Maybe touch scissors.
I do.
yeah, he's in route.
Okay.
Stock 20.
These scissors can go back with them though.
Hey. Just letting you know. So when you watch all this, there's a lapse in my body camera because I thought every time I was about to leave, I turned it off and then
Yeah.
had to reactivate it. So
I witnessed it.
just letting you know, there's a lapse in body cameras
Mine's
here.
still activated.
The
So
whole time?
Yeah.
because like when after the first incident was over, I got in my car to leave, turned it off, kicked
I was
off
about to walk away.
kicked off up here, jumped out, reactivated it. Then I was about to leave again. This incident happened, activated it again. So there's a lapse in. So when you watch all this, if you have to, there's
The
lapse
only
in
time I
cameras.
reactivated this, I think, was
Alright, I'm gonna go do some research real fast.
I had it out there, turned it off, and then came back.
Well, I haven't had because I was leaving multiple times, and this he has
Where's your purse at?
for your report. He has a goose egg on his head.
Yeah.
On the right side. I got
pictures of that?
I got photos.
I don't know if she pulled the case number yet.
I don't know either. So.
230 to check off.
I sure wish we could get these neighbors off their porches.
Unfortunately, there's not much we can do about that. They can be out here and chill.
32, you only have
No, it's going viral. For you guys too.
Well,
Best believe they're going to think, people can draw all kinds
well, we have all our
Take care
camera.
of it.
So,
and I'm just,
but unfortunately, we can't if they're not down here in the scene and like interacting or whatever. There's
I just talked to
on a different call.
She was standing right there taking her gloves off. I said, "Are you okay?" She's like, "Yeah, I deal with this all." I was just talking to her.
We get spit on all the time. That's part of the job.
She said, "Are
it's
you
just like-
all right?"
just like
She's
if we
"Yeah,
get
I'm fine.
spit
I
on.
see this all the time."
It's just happening.
And I work with these people and I'm seeing all this stuff. I'm their trainer. I'm in the most harm there is in that weight room. They can drop a weight on
You
their
wanna-
foot or something.
You want to grab all the gloves
What? Where was that?
in her pockets?
That was in her pockets.
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
Hey, all the gloves were in her pockets, right?
Yeah.
That was in her pockets.
Or do you want to leave it there for your supervisor?
Yeah.
She shouldn't have that much.
Carry one pair of pockets extra.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So you never worked with her before? I'll leave the gloves there. He wants to show the supervisor all the gloves in her pocket.
She went 0 to 10.
Yeah.
And the back doors were locked too. We couldn't.
Couldn't get in.
Yeah. So we had to go to this.
I was trying to grab her arm.
Yeah.
Stop her, but she just kept freaking wailing, man.
You know the cab. I doubt the cab's gonna take that.
This?
Yeah.
I'm about to put her in proper back there. She knows better, but it's someone
It's just like unfortunately, it's like if we get spit on, like we can't. If we
can't
already
go
have,
and attack him, especially 'cause he's already handcuffed.
we have somebody handcuffed and
Yeah.
somebody spits on us. We can't. We
He's
can't.
defenseless.
We can't do anything.
Can't take that
She's
person.
throwing shit like rounds.
Especially if you already know that.
You good, boss man? Close your eyes. I'm just look at your head. See if it's swollen. Is it swell anymore? Or?
Can you turn to your left, man? Your left.
No.
I mean, it's part of the game, man. It's part of the game.
It ain't him saying it.
Who are you searching?
I want to know the exact code section on this because of him being in custody. I want to see what the qualifications.
Gotcha.
221 check home. Can you advise if there's an apartment number associated with this call? Stand by. I'll check cat history for the phone number.
Asked her to his face, right? And he spit on her face, and she went. He was already handcuffed. She went to rock and roll.
Two 221. 221. 221. In April of this year, received a call from that number showing apartment Lima 8 L8. 221 clear.
Just let their company. So I'm just like letting the so.
Deannah Williams was arrested for assault and battery and was released from jail after posting bail. American Medical Response, the company that employed Williams, fired her almost immediately once they had learned what happened, stating that patient safety is of the utmost importance and that they would not retain the services of someone who could not react to such a stressful situation in a professional and compassionate manner.